Eat some apple to get energy.
We will start the surgery right now. Okay. 1, 2, push! Push! Baby, it's coming out!
Just now my friend said that it's time to file tax return. Do I have any idea on how to do it?
Okay, I will teach you. First, you have to know whether your income is taxable or not. According to Section 32A, because you are employed in Malaysia, your income is derived from your employment in Malaysia, so the income is taxable in Malaysia.
Oh, then what if I am a non-resident? For example, I am Oppa from Korea, being employed in Malaysia. My income is also taxable in Malaysia?
Yes, even if you have leave pay to go back Korea for a few days, the leave pay also taxable in Malaysia because the leave pay is paid from your employment in Malaysia. This is mentioned in Section 32B.
But this year I went to Hong Kong for 3 months to do promotion, then the 3 months income is taxable in Hong Kong?
No, according to standard, you are only extending your Malaysian employment to Hong Kong only. Your employment is still in Malaysia, so it's taxable in Malaysia. Basically, we have 3 sections. The first one is related to any benefit that you receive in monetary term. Second one is benefit in kind for your personal enjoyment. And the last one is only about the accommodation. So now you understand why your income is taxable. Let's calculate your chargeable income for the year. Hey, this lucky draw is cash voucher, right?
Yes, I put it under Section 1A because it can convert into cash, so it is a monetary term.
Yes, but lucky draw is exempted and not taxable because it is unexpected income and not in recurring basis. And the main part is also wrong. I remember the man is employed and paid by you. Later the company reimburse the money for you, right?
Yes, then?
Then in the end you get a cash, right? So it's under Section 31A.
Oh, then driver is employed and paid by company, so I get a driver instead of cash, so it's under Section 31B.
Yes. Can you tell me the detail of the car?
The car is 7 years already when I got it. The value when new is 350,000 and the fuel is also provided by the company.
Okay, then let's look at the table. The car value is 350,000 when new, so the taxable amount is 50,000 for the car and the fuel is 2,400, and because the car is more than 5 years, your taxable amount can divide 2 but not included the fuel.
For the leave package, this year I went KL, Sabah, Penang and Korea.
You can get addition for the 3 local leave package, so this 3 is not taxable.
Wow, so nice. Then for the overseas one, also exempted?
Yes, but it's only up to 3,000 ringgit, so the rest must pay.
Che, better than nothing.
Now we leave mobile phone, furniture, dental and medical benefit. The mobile phone is provided by company, so it's exempted.
Yeah, that's good.
For the furniture, we must look at the table. Because it's fully furniture, this is 280 ringgit per month.
Okay.
The dental and medical benefit are exempted.
I remember the dental is for you, is it can exempted?
Yeah, as long as it's for immediate families such as spouse, parent, and children. For the Section 31C, we must take the lower one from the 30% of Section 31A of the defined value of accumulation.
The defined value of accumulation is 50,000. So your gross income is 253,916.
Yeah, finally done.
Haven't you seen the entertainment allowance? 70% is for your office duty, right? So it exempted also. We can minus it out here.
Then what about traveling allowance?
Cannot is for personal enjoyment, not related to a job. Remember, anything is for personal enjoyment that is taxable unless it's for job duty.
So the adjusted employment income for you is 246,916.
I remember a $3,000 cash and call of 1,000.
Yes, is it deductible?
Yes, it deductible, but only for the cash. The call cannot because donation income might be overvalued by ourselves in order to reduce the chargeable income, so it's not deductible.
Therefore, my total income is 243,960. This year my chargeable income is so high, but thankfully our government gave us relief to reduce the burden. Help me calculate my relief.
Okay. First, you will get for your personal relief of 9,000, and as we are married and living together plus I have no income, it's better for us to select for joint assessment under your name because you can claim for the spouse relief of 4,000.
Oh, then when it is better to select the separate assessment?
Maybe when we both are employed and have high salary, it will be ideal to select for joint assessment and combined chargeable income will be taxed at a higher tax rate. Next, we will get for our lovely daughter. First daughter, JJ.
Daddy, mommy, I'm studying a degree, but I'm married.
More than 6 years old, pursuing a full-time degree and married, so cannot claim. Second daughter, Vicky.
Hi, Daddy, mommy, I'm studying for diploma.
More than 6 years old, pursuing a full-time diploma, can claim up to 8,000. Third daughter, Giant. More than 18 years old, originally pursuing matriculation, already pre-university course, can claim up to 2,000. But she disabled, so can claim up to 6,000 and wheelchair also up to 6,000. But we bought a wheelchair at 500 only. The last daughter, Payment. More than 18 years old, pursuing a full-time degree but also working and have 10,800 salary per annum. Salary higher than the relief of 8,000. Consider can make a living of herself, so no relief and cannot be claimed.
For the medical expenses, I know that there is a relief for parents. Medical expenses, I remember the total medical expenses for my parents are 6,000. Can I claim all of it?
No, you can only claim up to a maximum of 5,000. Other than that, we can claim the surgery fee of 5,500 for Giant. Besides, your medical examination of 500 can also be claimed as tax relief.
I know that we can claim for lifestyle relief such as purchase of personal books or computer. During the year, I purchased 500 of books for Giant, 3,000 of personal smartphone and monthly internet subscription of 1,500. So in total, I can claim for 5,000.
No, the maximum tax relief for lifestyle is 2,500, so you can only claim for 2,500. How much do you pay EBS for this year?
Total of 4,000.
Then do you pay any life insurance?
Yes, I pay for a total of 1,500.
Okay, then you can claim for life insurance plus EBS for a maximum of 6,000. So for us, we can claim for a total of 5,500. Also, as we are planning to have a new baby soon, I bought a new breastfeeding equipment of 500. This one also can be claimed.
So our total relief is 47,500. Therefore, my chargeable income is 196,460.
Now we will look at the tax rate table to calculate our tax payable. For the first 100,000 income, we have to pay 10,900 tax for it. Next, we leave 96,460. According to the table, the tax rate is 24%. 96,460 multiplied 24% equal to 23,115 and 40 cents. So our tax payable for this year is 34,050 and 40 cents.
Yeah, finally we are done.
So, as a Malaysian citizen, it's our responsibility to pay tax. If you don't pay tax, you will get penalties such as getting in jail. So, we have to remember pay tax. Thank you.